Hi, welcome to MS Excel tutorial. In this session we will learn about MS Excel. So let's start. This is the first part of our MS Excel tutorial. Excel is pronounced as a Excel. It is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. Excel organizes data in column and row and allow us to do mathematical functions. It runs on Windows, macOS, Android and iOS operating system. The first version was released in 1985 and has gone through several changes over the year. However, the main functionality mostly remains the same. Excel is typically used for analysis, data entry, data management, accounting, budgeting, data analysis, visual and graphs, programming, financial and modeling, and much more. Why use Excel? It is the most popular spreadsheet program in the world. It is easy to learn and get started. The skill ceiling is high, which means that we can do more advanced things as we become better. It can be used with both work and in everyday life, such as to create a family budget. It has a huge community support. It is continuously supported by Microsoft templates and framework can be reused by us. Low creation cost. How to start Excel? Click on the start button on the desktop, go to all programs, search for MS Office and click on that. Click on the Microsoft Excel file open in front of us. Go to file menu from the left top of the document. Click on the save as button. Select desktop from the left side list and save the file. Now MS Excel file visible on the desktop screen. So let's check it one by one. Just scroll down and look for MS Office. Here is MS Office. Click on that. Now click on the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So this is our spreadsheet. So now go to file button and click on the save as. Select the folder where you want to save the file. For myself, I am click on the desktop and I am giving it a appropriate name. First Excel tutorial. And click on the save button. Now close that, minimize it, and I can see that first Excel tutorial is available in my desktop screen. So that's how we can save that file. That's it for the day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.